cheerful greetings to all of you. Welcome back to the AI session with an engaging and delightful activity, GPT Assistant. So what is ChatGPT? Yes, all of us know the answer, right? Because almost all of us are using ChatGPT most of the time. ChatGPT enables users to ask questions or tell a story, and the bot will respond with relevant natural sounding answers and topics. Responses from ChatGPT sounds quite human-like because they were trained on different amounts of or different sets of data returned by people. So today's activity is like a prompt or a question is asked. The ChatGPT or the GPT Assistant will answer all the questions raised. Let's start with the activity. Let's open PictoBlox, Python coding, and let's start coding in the Python interface. Okay, so we are going to make an extremely simple GPT assistant. Okay, so the first step is to get all the GPT functions. So for that we have to create a variable. So let's create a variable GPT is equal to ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT function, right? Now all the functions of ChatGPT will be loaded in the variable GPT. To make this more interactive or more engaging, let's use another extension that is text-to-speech extension. So for that we have to create another variable. Let's say TS, which is equal to text to speech. Okay, so this extension we have created, so all the functions of text to speech will be available in the variable TS. We can also use speech recognition extension instead of text to speech. So but in this project we are going to use only text to speech extension and ChatGPT extension. Here I am going to use another function which is known as set maximum GPT dot set maximum token value. I'm going to give the token value as 100. So this is nothing but this function is used to set the token value, that is the number of words that will be in the answer that the AI assistant will be giving to us. I want the number of words to be 100. I don't want very big answers. Okay, I want you can minimize the number of words. You can give 50 or 100 or 200 or 300. I'm going to give 100 here. Now we have to plan something. Normally ChatGPT gives a prompt or it will ask questions, right? So we have to ask the user. What will you want to ask, right? Now the user want to raise a question about what, so we have to give a prompt, right? So that question, let's store it as a prompt or as a question or as a greeting event. So I will be taking the input of the user that is using my ChatGPT or the Toby GPT. So this is your Toby GPT, right? So let's type prompt. Okay, we are going to get the value of prompt. Prompt is equal to sprite.input. So what are we going to give input? I'm going to give hi. Okay, what would you like me to answer? So this will be the prompt or the question raised by the Toby GPT. Okay, so what would you like me to answer? Okay, so the input which is given by the user will be stored in the prompt, in the prompt variable. Okay, you can name this variable as a message or anything. So I am using prompt. So prompt is nothing but the text or the question that the user want to know about. Okay, maybe what is an apple or what is the formula to calculate the area of a circle, whatever may be. After this, we want to pause on this prompt or this question to the GPT extension. Okay, so whatever the prompt, the variable, the value which is stored in prompt has to be answered, right? So for that we have to just type GPT dot ask on ChatGPT. Okay, so you can click ask on ChatGPT. What I'm going to ask? I'm going to ask to AI assistant. Okay, AI assistant. The question is prompts. What am I going to ask? Whichever the value which is stored in the prompt. PROM. Okay, prompts. After this, it will give the output. Let's store the output in a variable. So why do we want to store the output in a variable? Because we can use that n number of times, right? So let's create a variable. I'm going to create a variable called answer is equal to GPT dot the result of what ChatGPT is giving. So ChatGPT result. Okay, ChatGPT result. Now we have to make the ChatGPT or the Toby GPT to say the answer. For that, let's use the say function. Okay, sprite dot say what I want to say. I want to say the answer, right? Toby GPT has to say the answer. So sprite dot say answer. We want the text to speech also. So let's give TS. What is TS? TS is the text to speech variable, right? So TS dot speak is a function. Okay, speak. What it has to speak? It has to speak the answer. It has to say the answer. Okay. So TS is the text to speech variable. The speech function will make the Toby GPT to speak the answer. That's all. We coded a GPT assistant. Less coding, right? But it can do wonders. So let's execute and see now. Okay, let's execute now. Fingers crossed. Hi, what would you like me to answer? Let's ask a simple question. What is an apple? Okay, I'm typing what is an apple. Listen. Oh my god.
An apple is a round fruit with smooth or waxy skin, typically red, green, or yellow in color. It is grown on apple trees and is known for its crisp texture and sweet or tart taste. Apples are commonly consumed as a snack, used in various culinary preparati.
It's working in the exact way as I need. So simple and interesting, right? All of you please try, okay? Thank you so much for watching my video and thank you so much for your patience. Thank you. Good luck.